This tutorial video shows how to generate and design the static QR code for any links. Click on Static QR code from the Studio Design menu. Place your desired link in the URL field. A simple QR code is generated. Now we can start designing this QR code. The first item for design is the color of your QR code. By default, the background of the QR code is set to a transparent background. You can change it by clicking on the color field and you can select your desired color. You can change the foreground color of QR code too. Even you can choose two colors to be shown as a gradient. Also you can make the radial gradient. The next item is the design of the QR code. In this part, you can choose your desired shape for a pattern, marker border, and marker center. You can simply choose any combinations you wish from these three items. By selecting on Custom Marker Color, you can choose any colors you wish for the marker center and marker border. In the logo part, you can upload and place your logo or any desired image in the center of the QR code. It is even nicer to select the option to remove the background from the logo and justify the size of your logo. As a result, you will have a centralized logo on your QR code. Let's now select a frame for your QR code. You can choose your desired frame from this list. You can simply change the text and change the font and the size of the text. You can select the custom frame color and choose your desired color. In the last optional items, you can change the size of the QR code, and also you can change the precision. It is always better to select high precision to have a better QR code generation. Now, we are done with the design and we are ready to save or print the QR code. By clicking on the Save button, you can choose to save it as a PNG file or SVG file or just print it. In this example, we will save it as PNG. You can open it or save it on your local drive. Here you are. The high-quality QR code is ready to be used for your business or personal use. Thank you for watching this tutorial video and feel free to contact us if you have any questions.